Mastering AI. Make AI work for you.
Hi, I'm Alex, and I'll be your companion on this journey through the world of AI.
And I'm Eva, your virtual guide here at Mastering AI. Together, we'll help you explore, learn, and actually use AI in your everyday life.
Hey Eva, have you noticed how fast AI is moving? It's exciting, but also overwhelming.
Totally. So many tools, updates, and buzzwords. It's hard to keep up. That's exactly why Mastering AI exists.
So, what is Mastering AI exactly? Another tech blog?
Not even close. Mastering AI is a full learning hub made to help real people actually use AI to create, work smarter, and stay ahead.
So, it's for non-techies too?
Absolutely. Whether you're a beginner, entrepreneur, student, or creator, we make AI make sense.
Okay, but what do I actually get here?
Books, tutorials, tools, guides, videos, templates, even full courses and custom chatbots. Everything is practical and ready to help you make AI work for you.
Sounds like you've done the hard work for me.
That's the idea. You don't need to be a programmer to use AI well. Just the right roadmap.
But there are so many AI sites popping up. Why this one?
Because we don't just chase trends. We teach you how to use AI for real goals: productivity, creativity, career growth, business, parenting, you name it.
Alright, where do I start?
Go to www.masteringai.ai. Start with a video, grab a free download, or find the perfect book. And if you're serious about learning, check out the courses or the premium section.
That's great. Let's make AI work for us, not against us.
Exactly. Welcome to Mastering AI.
If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and visit masteringi.ai for more tools, guides, and resources. And if you're using this setup, drop a comment and let us know how it's working for you. Thanks for watching.